Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 6E. Fifth problem. The sum of two numbers is 8. Suppose the numbers are x and y. Their sum is equal to 8 and the sum of their reciprocals is 8 upon 15. The sum of their reciprocals is equal to 8 upon 15. We have to find the numbers. What we can do here? Now here x is equal to 8 minus y. Let us substitute this value in place of x here. So 1 upon 8 minus y plus 1 upon y is equal to 8 upon 15. So LCM is equal to y into 8 minus y, and here it is y plus 8 minus y is equal to 8 upon 15. Y goes off. This goes to the numerator and 8 upon 15 becomes 15 upon 8. So 8 into 15 upon 8 is equal to y into 8 minus y. 8 goes off. This is what? 8y minus y square is equal to 15, or y square minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. Let us factorize this now. Hope you remember splitting the middle term. Y square, 15 means 5 3s are minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5y minus 3y plus 15 is equal to 0. Y is common. Y minus 5 minus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y minus 5 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Either this is 0 or this is 0. Y minus 5 is equal to 0 means y is equal to plus 5. If y minus 3 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Y is 5 or 3. They have not given which number is greater and which is smaller. So, if y is equal to 5, then x is equal to 3. If y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 5. We have to find the numbers. So, the numbers are 3 and 5. Sixth problem. The difference between two positive numbers x and y. Here x is greater than y, so let us write x minus y is 4. And the difference between the reciprocals is 4 upon 21. If this is greater, then the reciprocal will be smaller. So this reciprocal will be bigger. So the difference between the reciprocals is 4 upon 21. This is similar to the fifth problem. So x is equal to y plus 4. Let us substitute y plus 4 in place of x. 1 upon y minus 1 upon y plus 4 is equal to 4 upon 21. Y into y plus 4 is the LCM. Y plus 4 minus y goes off, is equal to 4 upon 21. This is transposed to the left and this is transposed to the right. So 4 into 21 upon 4 is equal to y into y plus 4. 4 goes off. Y squared plus 4y. Y squared plus 4y is equal to 21. Y squared plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize 5 squared plus 4y minus 21. 21. So y squared plus 7y minus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. Y into y plus 7 minus 3 into y plus 7 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 into y plus 7 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is equal to 0 or y plus 7 is equal to 0. If y minus 3 is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. If y plus 7 is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 7. So let us take this. Y is equal to 3. So the numbers are x minus y is equal to 4 means if y is equal to 3, then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, x is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 7. Therefore, the numbers are 3 and 7. Seventh problem. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. If 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 1:2. Find the numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. They are in the ratio 4:5. If 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, x minus 30, y minus 30, the ratio becomes 1:2. This ratio becomes 1:2. So this equation is equal to x upon y is equal to 4/5. 5x is equal to 4y. 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. Let us simplify the second equation now. X minus 30 upon y minus 30 is equal to 1/2. 2x minus 60 is equal to y minus 30. 2x minus y is equal to minus 60 becomes plus 60. 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. This is the second equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Let us multiply this by 4. 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. 8x minus 4y is equal to 120. Let us change this. So this goes off. 8x minus 5x is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 divided by 3, that is 40. Let us take this equation. 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. X is equal to 40. 5 into 40 is equal to 200. Minus 4y is equal to 0. So 200 is equal to 4y. Y is equal to 200 divided by 4. That is 50. Y is equal to 50. The two numbers are 40 and 50. Eighth problem. If the numerator of a fraction, let the fraction be x upon y. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2, numerator is increased by 2 and denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator is decreased by 1. It becomes 2/3. If numerator is increased by 1, numerator is increased by 1 and denominator is increased by 2 and the denominator is increased by 2, it becomes 1/3. Let us simplify them. 3x plus 6 is equal to 2y minus 2. 3x minus 2y is equal to plus 6 becomes minus 6, minus 8. 3x plus 3 is equal to y plus 2. 3x minus y is equal to plus 3 becomes minus 3. Let us take these two equations now. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Let us subtract this. This goes off. Plus 2y minus y is equal to y. Plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. Let us take this equation. 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 7. 3x is equal to minus 7 goes to this side and becomes plus 7. Plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. X is equal to 2. So x upon y is equal to 2/7. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. So the answer is, so the fraction is 2/7.